Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon we will discuss about the wiring diagram of three-way switch parallel connection for fluorescent lamp. This is supply line 1, line 2, ground or neutral. This is a safety switch. This is the load side. This is the switch number 1, common. Ang terminal A terminal connected sa A terminal, also connected to switch number 2. Ang B terminal sa three-way switch number 1 connected sa B terminal sa switch number 2. Then ang common connected sa iyang ballast number 1 o ballast number 2 sa fluorescent number 1 and fluorescent number 2. And other terminal sa ballast connected fluorescent, then naka-series to starter, and other terminal sa starter naka-series sa other fluorescent lamp connected sa other fluorescent number 2, then connected sa iyang starter, ang iyang other starter terminal connected sa iyang fluorescent lamp ug sa iyang naka-series sa fluorescent lamp to ballast, then ballast 1 and ballast 2 connected together, connected dito sa three-way switch common. Awaming de fluorescent 1 and fluorescent 2 connected sa iyang line 2 sa safety switch. Then dito pwede pa ilawin, i-switch ang switch number 1 para umilaw tong dalawang fluorescent lamp. Then i-off dito sa switch number 2, i-off mo. Then wiring diagram of multiple switches with one bulb or lamps. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is ground or neutral. Line side, this is safety switch, this is load side. Yang line 1 naka-connected sa switch number 1. Ang switch number 1 naka-series sa switch number 2, switch number 3, switch number 4, switch number 5 para magkaroon ng supply current. Then ang switch number 1, other terminal sa switch number 1 naka-connected siya sa bulb. Then other terminal sa bulb naka-connected sa line 2. Pag i-on ang ilaw sa switch 1, then umilaw, then pwede patayin. Pwede din i-on sa switch number 2, then i-off. Pwede din switch number 3, pwede din sa switch number 4 i-on, patayin sa switch number 4, then switch number 5 on nya, off. Then this one is connected sa line 2. Bible verse of the day, Luke 1 verse 37. For with God nothing shall be impossible. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.